Alright, so yes, it is raining, and here I am outside, and I'm about to show you my new shop. So, here we go. There it is. So we can move on up a little bit, and got our CNC machine. So, yep, here it is so far, and we got some nice sheets of plywood for the floor, and pallets for underneath there. We got our CNC machine. And right now I'm using the computer, but I'm working on controlling it with the Raspberry Pi. And so that's a hint at what my next video is gonna be. Alright, or maybe it's a clean giveaway. But anyway, yeah, this is it. There it is, and hey, I'm glad I got a roof over my head. You know what I'm saying? Or more like over my CNC machine. And yeah, so we want to put these, there's like a bunch more sheets of plywood, and we just want to set them up kind of like over here, like we've done with these sheets of plywood, kind of half blocking, so we can still get some light in here because, well, there's no light bulbs. But so yeah, there we go.